Sharn here. Today I will be teaching you how to use add-ons. Add-ons are a new section in my drive. You've got lots of different options and I will always be adding more. So what you have to do is you get a starter background, or you can always download one of the episode 1 as well. And just download it as usual. Now, I'll be using a program called Photoscape, which I find is best for this sort of thing. Yeah. So now you just go to the add-ons and you decide what I'm going to make. I'm going to make a lounge, so yeah. You can make a bedroom, yeah, anything you want really. So now what we do is we go to find our lounge and we just put it into the background. You can size it to what you want it to be, you can make it thinner, whatever. Now I'm just going to add some photos and some other stuff, and I'm just going to fast forward this bit because it might get a little bit boring, but yeah. This stuff is pretty easy to move around and do what with you like and everything. If you need to change which one goes over which in the layers, you can. Try not to cover up my sign. I've put it in a place where you probably won't need to put anything over it, but yeah, Now you are still not allowed to distribute any of this because I've cut it out and some of this stuff is mine. You are allowed to use overlays if you want that I have for these as add-ons as well. And now you just save it. And voila, you have a room that you have made custom to you. Hey guys, so remember to follow me on my Instagram at sharn.episode, and if you have any questions, just email at bintangvw13052@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, listening, both, and see you later. Bye!